What makes a PCBA supplier truly reliable? Is it the machines, the process, or the final results? Today, we take you inside our factory to show you what real quality looks like. At POE, we combine advanced SMT technology with strict quality control systems. Every PCB goes through a fully controlled and traceable process, ensuring consistency from prototype to mass production. 1. Nitrogen reflow oven. Our 10-zone nitrogen reflow oven ensures stable and high-quality soldering. With 99.99% nitrogen protection, oxidation is significantly reduced during heating. 2. High-speed pick and place machine. Precision starts here. Our high-speed pick and place machines deliver 0.01 mm accuracy, handling ultra-small components like 01005 and 0-01 with ease. With optimized process control, our placement yield exceeds 99.5%. Every component is placed exactly where it should be. 3. 3D SPI. Quality control begins before placement. Our 3D SPI system measures solder paste volume, height, and alignment, detecting issues at the earliest stage. We don't just fix problems, we prevent them. 4. AOI inspection. Our AOI system performs high-speed automated optical inspection. Compared to manual inspection, it's faster, more accurate, and fully reliable. 5. X-ray inspection. For complex packages like BGA and QFN, we use X-ray inspection. It allows us to see inside solder joints, identifying hidden defects invisible to the naked eye. This is critical for high-reliability applications such as automotive, medical, and industrial electronics. 6. First article inspection. Before mass production, we perform first article inspection. By integrating BOM and CAD data, our system automatically verifies every component. This improves inspection efficiency by over 50% and ensures every project starts right. 7. Dry ice cleaning. Cleanliness directly impacts reliability. Our dry ice cleaning process removes contaminants without water, chemicals, or residue. Safe, efficient, and environmentally friendly. 8. Conformal coating. For long-term protection, we apply conformal coating, extending product lifespan and ensuring stable performance in harsh environments. From precision placement to advanced inspection, every step is designed for one thing: consistent, reliable quality. We don't just manufacture PCBA, we build reliability into every board. Looking for a reliable PCBA partner?